In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Acer Predator Helios 300, even if you can't get into Windows or your laptop won't turn on properly. It's a pretty straightforward process, so just follow along and you should be good to go. First, make sure your laptop is completely powered off. If it's stuck or frozen, just hold the power button for a few seconds until it shuts down. Next, we're going to boot into recovery mode. Instead of just pressing the power button, press and hold Alt plus F10 on your keyboard. While holding those keys, press the power button again. Keep holding Alt plus F10 until you see the Acer logo or the recovery screen pop up. This shortcut launches the built-in recovery utility, so you won't need a USB or Windows login. Once you're in the recovery menu, look for the option called Troubleshoot and click on it. After that, select Reset this PC. You'll get two options at this point. The first one is Keep My Files, which will reinstall Windows but keep all your personal files. The second option is Remove Everything, which completely wipes the laptop and gives you a fresh install of Windows. If you don't need to save anything, I'd recommend choosing Remove Everything for the cleanest reset and the best performance after. Once you make your choice, Windows will handle the rest. It may take a while, so just be patient.